Hi, I'm Faisal and welcome to OpenLPR Tech Talk session. Today I'm going to tell you how easy it is to integrate any Modbus compatible product with OpenLPR system. We're going to simulate a scenario where we're going to integrate a virtual barrier gate acting as a Modbus server with OpenLPR. As you may be aware that OpenLPR contains multiple core components, and one of them is Node-RED by IBM. So it makes it very easy and versatile to extend OpenLPR and integrate any sort of business logic without writing almost any line of code. So to simulate our scenario, we're going to add a vehicle as a whitelisted vehicle, and whenever we're going to receive an OCR event that this vehicle has been detected on a particular sensor, we're going to send a force coil write command to the Modbus supported gate. As a result, it's going to open and we're going to see how it's done. Stay tuned. What you see on the screen are a couple of Node-RED nodes. We have an input node from AMQP, RabbitMQ. Whenever we perform an OCR successfully, a message is published onto this topic. The message is then read and fed into a function node where we discard all the unnecessary information, and we only set the detected car's plate number into a field called number, which is later passed on to the MongoDB node for querying the database. Now when you run OpenLPR, by default you only have LPR events table created, which contains all of the events as they occur. This includes things such as the detections, the bounding boxes, the confidences, scores, and of course the LPR text of the license plate. For this demo, I created a new collection by the name of plates, and I injected one record here for the plate number I'm using, which is 349253, and I set the status to OK. When the flow runs and we receive an OCR event containing the plate number, we query the database to find this particular record and check whether or not the status is marked as OK for the record. So if the MongoDB node is able to find this record in the plates collection, it will return the whole record, and on this next node we're going to check whether or not the status field on the return record equals OK. If it equals OK, we're going to then execute the next node, which is just setting the payload from message to 1 and eventually passing it on to the Modbus node, which is writing a single coil. As you may observe when you run the sample, that currently the host is set to the local host where this service is running. And once this whole flow executes, the simulator for the Modbus barrier is going to open. So just for the demo, let me for now inject the coil values. Let me open the gate and show you how it works. So you see I press the open gate button and it opened the gate. When I press the close gate button, it's going to close the gate. Now what we want to do is to do an OCR, and as a result of the OCR finding that the plate is authorized, we're going to open the barrier gate. So this is our sample image, which I'm going to upload. I'm going to simulate as if a camera is uploading the image to the OpenLPR system. And once the image uploads and the OCR is performed, this gate will open. So let's try it out. So there you go. We can also see that the minimal dashboard was updated with the correctly recognized text of the plate as well as the type of the plate. But more importantly, the Modbus integration worked and sent a force coil ride command to the simulator and opened the gate. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post to the GitHub repository or at the author's email address.